If you're experiencing crashes while playing The Sims 4, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Update your game. Ensure that The Sims 4 is updated to the latest version. Open the game launcher and check for any available updates. Installing the latest patches can fix known bugs and improve stability. Step 2. Check system requirements. Verify that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for The Sims 4. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, it may cause crashes. Upgrade components if necessary. Step 3. Disable mods and custom content. Temporarily disable any mods or custom content you have installed. These can sometimes conflict with game updates. Move them to a different folder and restart the game to see if the issue persists. Step 4. Repair game files. Use the game launcher to repair your game files. Right-click on The Sims 4 in your game library and select the repair option. This will fix any corrupted files that could be causing crashes. Step 5. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game. Go to the Options menu, select the Graphics tab, and reduce the settings. This can help improve performance and reduce the likelihood of crashes, especially on lower-end systems. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issue in The Sims 4. If problems continue, consider seeking further assistance from community forums or official support.